Communal tensions have escalated in Kadamtala, North Tripura, following clashes between Hindus and Muslims. The unrest began when a Muslim driver was assaulted after refusing to contribute to a Durga Puja donation, leading to protests and vandalism from both communities. Prohibitory orders were imposed by Subdivisional Magistrate Sajal Debnath from October 6 to 9th, restricting movement in the area. Despite these measures, violence resumed, resulting in property damage and several shops being set on fire. Police and security forces responded with baton charges and reportedly opened fire, leading to one death and injuries to 2 others. Internet services were restricted to curb misinformation. Local leaders, including CPIM MLA Islamuddin and Congress MLA Sudip Roy Burman, have called for peace and criticized the administration handling of the situation. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha is monitoring developments and has ordered stringent action against those responsible for the violence.